Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA, over 40 years and thousands of successful IRS tax cases. Today, I'm going to issue a warning, an IRS taxpayer warning. Why? Things are changing with our government and things are changing rapidly. Yesterday, I reviewed the various tax programs the IRS has on their website. Do your returns for free. Well, in the past, um, Tax Act, TurboTax gave you a free download, but this is a lot more formalized where you go to the IRS website, you put in certain conditions of yours, and they let you know the various companies that you can do returns for free online. I'm going to warn you that that's very dangerous. Some of you may have carryovers from prior years. Some of you may have adjustments that need to be made from stock. There's no audit proofing. There's no checking what the IRS has on you first. There's many considerations that have to be made when taxes are done. Now, a lot of people don't realize that because there's a lot of tax companies, these big national tax preparation only companies, they hire part-time people during tax season, and their offices are virtually closed in the off season. And all these people do is download a program and put your information in. And if that's what you've witnessed, you're more likely to justify in your mind using these free programs that you get from the IRS's website. The truth is, most people in the US that care about their own financial livelihood and don't consider themselves victims, so much so that they can't pay to have a professional look at their return, those people know the difference. And I'm just warning you in case you don't, or in case you're trying to talk yourself into it because money might be tight, these mistakes are going to cost you many thousands of dollars. How do I know? That's been my whole career. I don't think a month goes by that I don't get a bunch of people contacting us that flat out did not know. Robin and I both have been doing tax returns for decades, and most of our clients, by far, do not understand the mistakes that are on their tax returns, even when they go to somebody like these large national tax prep companies to do the return. And that could be more frustrating too. You want an enrolled agent or a CPA or somebody that's got 20 years whatever experience that knows what's going on. My firm does. I don't hire otherwise. It's just me, Robin, and Stephanie right now. So that's my warning. And I also have another warning for you that I've been getting letters on certain clients where the IRS is turning down a request for an installment agreement, and they're giving you an option saying, well, this is what we think you can afford to pay. There's a lot of danger in not getting proper advice about that because the vast majority, and I would say 90% of installment agreements that get set up are either set up incorrectly or they get broken by the taxpayer. So when you deal directly with these letters and say, oh, I don't need to pay someone, the IRS is willing to do a payment plan for $250 a month, and that's fine with me, you wind up getting your paycheck or a bank account levied a little bit down the road because you didn't know what the rules were and they didn't tell you. Very, very dangerous situation. If you have any issues with the IRS, there's a lot of people that do my paid consultation and I explain to them how to do it on their own. And if you want to do it on your own, at least do it knowing the rules and the pitfalls and what the IRS has to do and what you have to do. Call Stephanie, 713-774-4467, and let me help you. Thank you.